When it comes to customizing Blender, or even your preferences, it's as easy as just going to edit and just loading your preferences. And from here, you can go into whatever add-on you choose and customize it to your liking. However, we've always wanted to be able to do this from the 3D view. And for that reason, under the hotkeys, we can see that there is the Ctrl K preference key map helper. So if I go in and press Ctrl K, we see that there's now a pop-up. First of all, letting me know that my HardOps is out of date, letting me know that I can go to any of these 3 markets and update it or learn how to update. But also I can adjust any of the preferences of HardOps on the fly just by going in and adjusting this without even having to bring up the preferences window. But one of the things that always kind of irked me about the preferences pop-up is that it doesn't have the preferences for Boxcutter. You know, both tools should probably be supported in this handy dandy little preference pop-up. And so I'm happy to announce that in the latest version of HardOps, if you were to press Ctrl K, you now have the preferences for both HardOps and Boxcutter showing up on the fly. So as the preferences for Boxcutter gets aligned and adjusted and expanded upon, you'll now be able to pop them up in the 3D view just like you would for HardOps, allowing you to be able to easily customize and set up your experience and even save your preferences on the fly if needed. So just letting you know that now the preferences with Ctrl K now supports loading of Boxcutter preferences as well.